Jan, what are you doing?
I can't find anything in this fridge.
Well, it's a tiny fridge.
We gotta do something about this.
Okay, let's wave our magic wand.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, we're not spoiled. Not at all. Ooh. Lovely.
Wow. And it's got an ice maker back in there too.
Mm-hmm.
Now we gotta take all the plastic off.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Can you find everything?
What do you think?
Ah,
Think we can?
I think we can find everything.
Now it looks like we don't have any food.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, that looks good.
Trust me, there's a ton of stuff in there.
Can see everything. The eggs are not on the bottom shelf.
And I like how the shelves slide out.
Yeah, the top ones slide out.
That's awesome. The middle ones don't?
No, just the top shelf.
Really? Because
Yeah.
they look the same. They look like they do. Pull on them. No?
Just the top one.
Huh.
I read the instructions.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
That's cool.
This one is, you can set the temperature in that.
That's with a cool pantry,
Yeah.
cool select.
Yeah, deli, pantry, and something else. So 3 different temperatures. So cool beans. Now let's put some stuff in this freezer.
Yeah.
And I would prefer all the